Hi everybody, I wanted to take a little walk with you. We're going to do a little science experiment today. It's such a beautiful day out and I saw this very cool activity online using a pine cone. So I thought that maybe while you're outside playing, you could find a pine cone or two and use it for an activity. So go ahead, find one, and I'll be back with some more information. All right, everybody, I'm back. So I don't know if you were able to go out and find one, but if you weren't, you could always do this at a later time. So now we're going to think about something. What could we do with this pine cone? There are lots of things that you could do with this pine cone. Sometimes you could put peanut butter. If you're not allergic to peanut butter, you could put peanut butter on them. And you could roll it in some seeds or some beans. And you could hang it up on a tree. You could paint it, decorate it, put it out front. Then I just saw another very cool thing you can do with a pine cone. You'll need some dirt. You'll need a container. You'll need some water. So what you'll do is you're going to fill, there we go. You're going to fill your container with some dirt. Okay? You can get it in the yard if your moms and dads say that's okay. I happen to have some potting soil that I use because we like to plant in our garden. And so that's what I did. So I've put this much in here. Now I'm going to take the pine cone and I'm going to rest it in there like that. You don't have to bury it. You don't have to cover it with dirt. We're just going to kind of drop it in there like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of water. I had an empty water bottle that I just filled with some tap water. And I'm going to pour some water in here. Just like that. Now, I wonder, what do you think might happen? Here's a word I wanted to share with you. It's called predict. It means guess what might happen. So if I were to predict what might happen to my pine cone that is in the dirt with some water, I could say, maybe it'll just get mushy. Maybe something will grow. So I'm going to write that down on my paper. So maybe somebody could write it down on your paper and say, I think that something will grow from my pine cone. And then what you're going to do over the next couple of weeks is this word, observe. Observe means to see what's happening in your container. So this will take a little bit of time. You're going to have to look at it every day. Maybe on a piece of paper you could say, Tuesday, March 7th, I observed nothing. It had plenty of water. It just kind of sat there. And then on Wednesday, you could look at it again and you could say, oh, it's a little dry. It needs a little bit more water. So you might have to get your water bottle and pour a little bit more water. And then every day, you'll observe, you'll watch, you'll see what is happening. And then after a couple of weeks, you'll learn what happened. Did what you predict happen? So if you predicted that something would grow, did anything start to happen in your container with your pine cone? And I would love to know what happened. I'm going to keep you posted too on my experiment. I'm going to predict, observe, and learn with you. Okay? And so we can keep each other posted to see what happened with our experiment. All right, talk to you soon.